Hi Linh, I'm from Quán ES6E and today I will tell you about recycling. This presentation will divide into 5 main parts. The first is what the recycling mean. The second is fact about environmental pollution in Vietnam. Third is what are the benefits of recycling. And next is what are 3 R's. And lastly, I will talk about what should you and your family do to protect the environment and save the earth. Now I will move to the first is what the recycling mean. Recycling can be understood as a process of turning waste or unnecessary materials or scrap into new materials that can be used to bring benefits to people. This can be seen as a solution beside having to produce new product. It can help to save materials as well as reduce the emission of greenhouse gas compared to new production line. For organic waste such as plant and animal carcasses or organic foods that will be processed to make fertilizer can also be considered waste recycling process. For magazine and book to new paper, you can recycle a wide range of paper simply by placing it in your home recycling bin. Waste paper is one of the most recyclable materials on our planet. Or you can create beautiful recycled products from new papers. I will move to the second fact about environmental pollution in Vietnam. Vietnam is one of many countries that have to face the consequence of environmental pollution, and this can be considered as a responsibility of everybody. The development of societies has direct impact on environment, such as emissions from factories, waste being dumped in rivers and sea, illegal logging, and media has been progressing a lot about protecting the environment, and the answers of a person is very important in maintaining a healthy habitat. Also, take the best example of this is a Tolic River, which used to be it used to be a place of beautiful scenery and was profoundly a perfect place for king and nobles to enjoy and relax, but now the river has been abandoned. The pollution gives off an unprecedented no fish can survive in this environment because the river is located in the center of Hanoi City with high population density is affected a lot to life of the people around. As you can see here is one of the picture of Tolic River is very dirty. Now I will move to the third is what are benefits of recycling. The biggest reason that we have to recycle waste is to reduce waste that dangerous to environment. It also helps to protect the living environment, protect the health of people and animals. Just waste or scrap also becomes a source of materials to manufacture new products, reducing a lot of cost in production. The business activities, the use of waste also reduce the cost of environmental treatment. Reducing waste also limits things such as burning waste gas into environment, contributing to reducing toxic gases, greenhouse effect. The change of substance in the soil adversely affect human and living on Earth. Next, I will tell you what are 3Rs. 3R is an acronym of reduce, reuse, and recycle. Reduce means that restart change con consumption pattern and improvement in production process will reduce the element of waste generated into the environment. Reuse means making the most of products lifespan and using to serve different um, purposes of maximum saving. Recycle means gravity that uses in waste materials to make the other useful product. I will move to the lastly is what should you and your family do to protect the environment and save the earth? We can start to protect the environment from simple things like putting garbage in the right place, no smoking in public place, or not destroying trees. Garbage is always a big problem for any country, and we can make garbage disposal easier if we follow the rule on garbage classification and garbage disposal. Emissions from car energy are also one of the leading causes of air pollution, so we should choose to use biofuel, turn off the engine and stopping at light, and regularly use public transport instead of motorcycle, and we can also contribute to environmental protection by using energy wisely, turning off electrical appliances such as TVs, light bulbs, fans, immediately after use and turning off filters when not used. Um, That's the end of my presentation. Thank you for listening, and I will be happy to answer any question now.
Cool. Okay, cool. Thank you. That was good. I liked it. I have one question for you. Guys, okay, first, does anybody else have any questions?
No.
Okay, thanks. Thank you, Minque. Okay, I have a question. Khánh, what can modern day society do in order to change its negative impact on the environment?
Yeah. What can you repeat? I cannot hear you clearly.
Okay, what can modern day society do in order to change its negative impact on the environment?
I cannot answer this question.
Okay. Basically, what can we do in order to stop the amount of pollution that we are emitting, that we are using?
I think we should stop using plastic.
Okay, cool. Well done. Thank you. Thank you for that. Okay, good.